Hi, Kathleen Baffers. Um, Sorry na marami po akong mga video creators kasi mga epic yung iba eh. So, maybe ito po yung official po talaga yung video creating ko. So, happy second anniversary, Kathleen Baffers. I'm a Kathleen fan noon, super. Pero ngayon, I'm not so updated for them. Pero, nakiki-update ako sa inyo. So, thanks guys for being here and support Katniels always. Be loyal to them and balang araw, magiging sikat din kayo na uh, masisikat din yung or mas marami pang followers yung page niya. So, once again, happy second anniversary and I love the owner of Katniel Buffers so much. Siya yung nagpapatakbo doon, tas classmate ko yun eh, si at MJC. Palagi kaming we are talking to each other about Katniel as in early in the morning, late kasi yan eh. And yun, sa iba yun sa dahil palagi kaming we're talking about Katniel, so may update na din ako para sa kanila. So thank you very much guys, love you, bye.